So perfect for using all your finer drill bits. Hello, I'm BJ from Hearns, and I'm going to be having a closer look at the brand new micro power pin vise from GodHand. So just got it down here. Now I've already shown in previous video the power pin vise, which is a longer one here, and the short shank one. So this new one fills in a point where you can use these smaller shanked drill bits. So they're the really fine ones. So the larger ones, they're designed for using, well, say the power pin vise. This has got various collets inside, which will take it from 0.1 up to 3 millimeters. Then the short shank one is designed for the short shank tools such as chisels. So they'll take 2.5 to 3. And then the micro one is designed for taking 1 millimeter to 0.1 of a millimeter, which I've got here. So you can see the final work there. Now, of course, the biggest difference, which is quite obvious, is the size of it. So the idea is the smaller the pin vise, the lighter it's going to be on the actual bit itself as well. So there's less chances of breaking the bit, and there's more control when you're using smaller movements. So you don't want the full torque of, say, a larger tool like this one. So just to give you an idea, so this one here, which I've talked about before, it's got the bigger collet in it. So that's the maximum size, and these are reversible. So you've got your half sizes there, and then there's another one in here. So that's how you perform all the finer adjustments to take all the different bits. So this is the most versatile one. Now the short shank one is designed to take these types of chisel bits. Let's just do an example here. Okay, so the bigger shank. So collar itself, as you can see, is quite large, and the collet only has one end, so it's designed only for the larger shanks. Now when you put it in, it bottoms out on the end, tighten it up, and so when you're using this, because it's shorter, it fits within your palm much easier as well. Okay, so you can start doing your chisel work. Of course, you can use that in this one as well, but you see the extra length there. And then you come to the micro one, which is brand new, and you'll see the collet there. So it's only got the one, but you see how fine it has been machined. It's very important on a pin vise to make sure that the collet is dead center, because if you've got these really fine bits that are not dead center, you're going to have issues with a bad drilled hole and even damaging your bits. So I'll just show you basically how it works. We'll open it up and we'll take the bigger bit. So you notice how the collets just open up there. Get the 1 mil bit, pop it in, and then we'll just tighten it up. Okay, and that's it. So that's the largest size you'll be able to use. That's the 1 mil. And then we just want to change it. Let's pull that one out, tighten it up a little bit. So it's almost done. I'll take this tiny one. Try not to lose it. There we go. Should just fit in here. I think I've overdone it a bit. Just loosen it off. Slides in. Tighten it up. There you go, that's a fine one. It's as simple as that. And of course it works just the same way as all the other pin vises. So you hold it in your hands like so, one finger up here, and this knurled part is where you rotate it. So you just hold it so, and just turn on that to drill the hole. And you can notice just from there how little power I need just to hold it steady. Because if you use anything bigger, it'll probably be wobbling like so. So this, just spin it slowly like this with a little bit of top pressure, and they'll be creating a really fine hole. So there you go. So that's an introduction to the micro power pin vise from GodHand. So perfect for using all your finer drill bits from 1mm to 0.1 of a millimeter.